today is this Harley CVO. I do all this client's bikes. He's got a handful of Harleys. This one's going to get a whole heap of Trott love. He has been using this. He bought it from Caio, but he's going away this weekend. Wants it looking its finest. He wants us to put some ceramic on this, a little machine polishing on a few bits and pieces that have got a few scratches. Get it looking like it should. Get all that exhaust, chrome, wheels, everything going to be attended to, and then we're going to airbrush the signature 4K ceramic on it, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the years ahead. First step is to replace this bracket. He hit a big pothole the other day and that bracket broke off, so he's got a new bracket. I'm going to fit that, and then we'll get it washed, snow foam, and then we'll get it into the studio and crack on with some proper detailing. Like I said, we're going to put a whole dose of ceramic on this, making sure it stays looking good for years to come. Anyway, let's get that bracket replaced, get it washed, and then we'll get it in the studio. The sun is out. Okay, on this Harley CVO, now fully washed, decontaminated, debugged, and blow dried. Just having a little paint inspection. Paint's not in terrible shape. It's these things like this here, see that? I mean, he does use this in all weathers, so it is to be expected, but we're going to polish these engine covers up, polish up these plastic bits, pull down the top here where it's got some spider webs. I'm going to polish all this fairing, windscreen, and then we're going to top it up with the signature 4K ceramic. I'm going to polish up the frame up underneath these side covers. And obviously every bit of chrome is going to get seriously polished and protected. See how those spider webs? Let's see if we can remove those. All right, just had a quick once over with the old polish machine. See the difference that makes? I will do another run with that, and then we'll seal it with the ceramic. Just did that air cleaner cover. Just started polishing. Look at that, that's just one run. So we're going to do 2 runs on that, and then we'll buff it up before we seal it with the ceramic. Okay, all the polishing is now complete. I managed to remove a few imperfections on the black panels, all the tank, all the fairing, windscreen, everything has been polished. Managed to get all those ingrained bugs off the headlight. Now time to lay down a bit of special sauce. We're going to put the Signature Pro on this. That is a 5-year ceramic protection. Just makes it nice and easy to keep clean in the future. So yeah, we're going to apply it by hand to all these body panels. I did do this bike when he bought it new, but like I said, he does use this every day. And just put a little bit of ceramic on a few of these panels just to top it up. there you go. This Harley CVO has now been fully trotted. Oh my God, look at the gloss on that. Every nook and cranny of this bike has been attended to. As you followed along, we've done a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork just to remove any imperfections before we apply any ceramic. All those little bits there have all been polished up. Air cleaner cover, motor, all the exhaust has all been polished. Everything underneath these saddlebags has been attended to, and then we treated it with a fresh coating, the signature 4K ceramic. We did do it when he bought this, but we just topped it up a bit. Some of the panels needed quite a bit of polishing, so we just put some ceramic on those bits after we had polished them. So yeah, all done. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. This gentleman, I do all of his Harleys. Keep coming back for more. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.